What's up, Internet? Matt down here at Redwater Dodge, home of the rig ready Rams. I'm just standing in front of a whole bunch of diesels here. One of the biggest diesel questions we get is how do you use your high idle feature in your brand new Cummins Diesel? Come on in, Chris. I'm going to show you how to use it. What's up, guys? We are now in a 2026 Ram 3500 at Cummins Diesel. So I'm just going to get Chris to spin the camera over, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the high idle feature. It's been the same for like the last, I don't know, 10, 15 years as far as the high idle goes. So truck running, obviously we have some four-wheel drive on and stuff like that, but basically you just hit the cruise control button, the normal cruise control button, and then you hit the set minus button, and that's going to engage your high idle. It's automatically going to go to about 1,000 RPM, and then basically you can hit the top set plus button, and you can hold that or push it, and it'll bring it up to 1,500 RPM. Also, a good idea too is if you want to get a quick warm-up on it, is if you're in your truck or you're starting it manually, just hit the exhaust brake, and then the truck should warm up within 10-15 minutes to operating temperature. Any questions, guys? 780-942-3629.